Hello and welcome to Smooth Fusion Sitefinity version 11 tutorial. My name's Dylan Eccles and today I'm going to show you how to log in to Sitefinity using the default Sitefinity login. So here we have our Quantum demo site. Logging in is pretty simple, just from the home page of your site. Append the URL with /Sitefinity. You'll be redirected to the login page where you'll enter your username and password as well as be remembered. Log in. And voila, you are taken to the backend. Now, alternatively, some organizations do use third-party providers, and in this case, the /Sitefinity may redirect to that proper login page, or it may be redirected elsewhere. In the case of the latter, you may want to check with an admin to be sure that you're using the proper URL for your login. For more Sitefinity tips and tricks, follow our channel, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter.